Okay, let's talk about changing out your air filter. Usually it's located right next to the furnace. It's either going to be horizontal or it's going to be a little smaller than this, depending on the size of your furnace. This is a 4-inch filter, so it's going to have a bigger vent slot for it. All you really do is it's usually got a metal kind of covering that you'll pull up. This one you pull down and you take it out. Then you're simply going to grab your air filter and you're going to slowly slide it out. Now, if the furnace is running, it's going to kind of suck it this way. That's fine. You just keep pulling. And you're going to look at which direction the actual arrow is pointing. I actually wrote on the top of my furnace which direction this should be going. So if I get it out or I get confused or I forget or somebody else is changing it out, they know which way this arrow is supposed to be. They just match it up with on top that I wrote with a Sharpie. So you're going to inspect it. This one's really clean. If it looks gray or black, then you're going to want to change it out. And then you simply put the new one. You want to write on the top of it what date you put it in case you've forgotten that as well. Then you'll know. Simply take the new one. Sometimes they'll have little tracks that it sets in, and then you simply gently slide it in. Make sure it's all the way in. You're going to put your door or your slot covering back on, and you're going to cover it. And that's it. You've just changed your air filter. Now, some are different sizes, so you're going to want to put that in your notes, your Evernote or your Apple Notes. So when you get to the store, you can look it up and know which kind you got. That's one thing. If they're this size, if they're 1 inch, you're going to want to change it monthly. So put that in your phone electronically that the 15th of every month or the 1st of every month, boop, it pops up, says change your air filter. If you have this a 3-inch or a 4-inch, you're going to want to change it about once a quarter. Also, as you get closer to allergy season, like I'm allergic to ragweed, I always make sure this is changed right before September when ragweed season hits. Changing your air filter is going to do 3 things. 1, it's going to cut down on the dusting you have to do in your house. 2, it's going to cut down on the amount of allergens that are floating around your house. And the third thing, because air can flow through this easily, or when it's clean, it's going to cut down on your electric bill. Your air conditioner and your furnace is going to work less to get the same amount of air moving through your house. So should see a reduction in all those. So a lot of benefits changing out your air filter. So you should know how to do it. You should do it often.